Clear up your workspace and organize your rolls with our vinyl roll wall mount storage rack. This unit is perfect for organizing vinyl rolls, pre-mask tapes, and other media rolls. The rack is constructed of black powder coated steel for a durable and sleek design. The rack accommodates up to 20 media rolls with 3-inch cores. Each arm holds up to 30-inch wide rolls and up to 30 pounds per roll. You can easily set up within a few minutes. Please begin by laying down the 5 sets of arms. The outermost left and right set of arms should be facing inwards. The arms need to be bolted onto the 2 metal bars. Start bolting the arms onto one bar first. Secure each bolt tightly with the wrench. Repeat the same step. Bolt the other side of the arms onto the other metal bar. Now that your rack has been assembled, you will need to prepare the wall surface for mounting. Please note that the rack does not come with the mounting hardware. Since different wall types require different mounting hardware, please obtain the appropriate hardware for your wall. The mounting hole size is a 1/2 inch diameter. Just like that, your vinyl rolls are organized in no time. Instantly save space while keeping your rolls safe and clean. Please visit our website or give us a call to order your storage racks today.